In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up Folk CRM notifications, making sure you get the most out of this powerful tool. Stick around to the end because I'll also show you how to unlock some exclusive bonuses that'll make using Folk CRM even better. Folk CRM is a user-friendly platform designed to help you manage customer relationships with ease. One of its standout features is notifications, which ensure you never miss important updates, reminders, or follow-ups. Whether you're managing leads, tracking customer activity, or staying on top of sales tasks, these notifications are a game changer. So let's dive into how you can set up notifications in Folk CRM. First, navigate to the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Notifications in the sidebar. This will bring you to the central hub where you can control all your notification preferences. The first thing you'll notice is the option to turn on or off notifications for different actions within the CRM. You can adjust notifications for new emails, contact updates, and even task reminders. If you want to be notified about a new lead, simply toggle that setting on. You'll start receiving notifications as soon as that lead comes in. This can help you stay on top of opportunities right away. For each notification, you can also choose how you want to be alerted. You can opt for email, push notifications on mobile, or even desktop alerts. Choose whichever suits your workflow best to ensure you're always in the loop, no matter where you are. But here's the trick that a lot of people miss. You can set up custom notifications for specific tags and filters. Let's say you're working with high-priority clients. You can create a custom filter that triggers notifications every time there's an update to that specific client's profile. This helps you prioritize what's most important, making sure you never miss a beat on your most valuable contacts. You'll also find an option for task reminders. This is especially useful if you have a busy schedule. You can set up reminders for tasks like follow-ups, meetings, or calls. These reminders can be set for a specific time or day, and you can get notified in advance so you're always prepared. Now, don't forget about the integration with other apps. Folk CRM allows you to integrate with tools like Slack, email, and more. If you use Slack for team communication, you can get real-time notifications right in your channels, keeping you aligned with your team without switching between apps. In terms of user experience, Folk CRM does an excellent job of ensuring your notifications are not overwhelming. You can easily fine-tune what you want to be notified about, reducing clutter while still staying on top of key updates. Finally, I mentioned earlier about the exclusive bonuses. By using the first link in the description below, you can access Folk CRM completely free. Not only that, but you'll also unlock an extended free trial, which means you get to try out all of these amazing features like notifications without paying a dime. So to recap, setting up notifications in Folk CRM is straightforward. Adjust your preferences for leads, tasks, and even custom filters. Choose your preferred method of alerts and make sure you stay on top of your most important clients. And don't forget, you can integrate with tools like Slack for even more convenience. If you want to take full advantage of Folk CRM, check the link below for that exclusive free trial and start streamlining your CRM process today.